Welcome to the Professional Skill Development channel. This channel is designed to help you build the skills that matter beyond textbooks and exams. Here, we focus on developing clear thinking, effective communication, self-awareness, and practical knowledge that supports both academic success and career growth. In this session, we explore sensation, the process through which we first connect with the world around us. Before we can think, learn, or make decisions, our senses collect information from the environment and send it to the brain. Understanding sensation helps us better understand how learning begins and how we experience everyday life. Right now, even if you're not thinking about it, your senses are hard at work. Your eyes are seeing light and colors, your ears are hearing sounds, and your skin can feel where you are sitting. All of this happens because of a process called sensation. Sensation is defined as the process by which our sensory receptors detect information from the environment and send it to the brain. Sensation begins when physical energy from the environment, such as light, sound waves, heat, or smells, reaches our body. These forms of energy are called stimuli. Special cells known as sensory receptors detect these stimuli. Each receptor has a specific function. Some respond to light, others to sound, pressure, temperature, or chemicals. Once the receptors detect a stimulus, they change it into electrical signals. This process is called transduction, which means converting physical energy into neural signals that the brain can understand. We learn about the world through our 5 sensory systems. Vision allows us to see light, color, and movement. Hearing helps us detect sound and vibrations. Taste and smell work together to help us identify flavors and detect danger. Touch helps us feel pressure, temperature, and pain, keeping us aware of what is happening to our body. Our senses are powerful, but they also have limits. The absolute threshold is defined as the weakest level of a stimulus that we can detect about half of the time. If a stimulus is below this level, we usually do not notice it. We are also better at detecting changes rather than constant stimulation. The just noticeable difference or difference threshold is the smallest change in a stimulus that we can notice. Over time, our senses adjust to constant stimulation. This is called sensory adaptation. That is why you stop feeling your clothes after wearing them for a while, or stop noticing background noise. Sensory adaptation helps the brain focus on new and important information. What we notice is not based only on the stimulus itself. It also depends on our attention, expectations, and alertness. This idea is explained by signal detection theory, which shows that perception can change depending on the person and the situation. There are also subliminal stimuli, which are stimuli that are below our level of conscious awareness. These stimuli may slightly influence behavior, but their effects are very small. As we conclude, remember that sensation is the first step in how we understand the world. Everything we learn, feel, and respond to begins with the information our senses collect. By understanding sensation, we strengthen our awareness and build a solid base for learning, communication, and professional skills. At the Professional Skill Development channel, we aim to explain important concepts in a way that is clear, relevant, and easy to apply. If this session helped you understand sensation better, subscribe to the channel for more lessons that support your academic journey and personal development.